Hello and welcome back to our channel SIS Cooking. So today we'll be making chicken chili. Let's get started. Make a slurry by adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, some salt as per your taste and water as required. In a kadai, heat some oil. When the oil is heated, coat the chicken pieces with the slurry and fry them one by one until crispy and golden brown. Now, in a pan, add some oil. Add some sliced onions and sliced capsicum along with some green chilies. And finely chopped garlic. Saute the vegetables for a while. Then add the fried chicken pieces and mix it well with the veggies. Add the soy sauce slurry made by mixing 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn flour and water as required. Add some green chili sauce. Add some salt as per your taste and give it a nice mix. You know it's ready when the sauce thickens and the color changes to a much darker shade. Garnish it with some freshly chopped spring onion greens and you're good to go.
Ta-da!
It's ready!
Let us know if you want a recipe in our comment section below. And if you liked our video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel.
SIS Cooking!